Hello students, welcome to the new video of class 8th square and square roots. So in the previous video we have discussed how to find the square root by using long division here. And now we'll be discussing with some questions regarding that long division, or I can say where the long division is used. So our first question is like in this way: find the least number which must be subtracted from 1 to 570 to make it a perfect square. Find this perfect square and its square root. In your first or second exercise, you have done the questions with multiplication and division. Instead of this subtracted, we are having find the least number which must be multiplied or divided. So in the case of multiplication and division, you will be using the prime factorization here, and in the case of addition or subtraction, you will be using long division. At the last, again we will be discussing with the same thing. So now the first concept here, when you will be having the case of addition or subtraction, you have to start doing the long division of the number. So coming to the long division, 1 to 570. So first step is what? Start making the pairs from right side. So this one 70, this one is 25. So I will be saying 0, 1. So start with the square. 1 into 1 will be 1 here, and subtracting will be getting 0. And this 25. You know the whole pair will be coming downwards. And the next step, what we have to do? We have to add these two. So 1 plus 1 will become 2. So now you know the number which is written here should be written here, which means if I am taking the number here, it should be multiplied with the same number. So that will be what? 1. So 21 into 1 will be 21. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 here. Okay, this will be coming as 70. 21 plus 11 or 21 plus 1. So you have to add 21 plus 1. That will be your 22 here. So now you are directly seeing it. We have to write a number here as well as here. So that will be multiplied with 2 only. So we will be left with 444. So 10 minus 4 will be 6. 6 minus 4 will be 2 here. So I will be left with the remainder as 26. Since it should be clear to you, if we have to subtract something from this to get a perfect square, it means the number given is not a perfect square. It means we will be having some remainder in every case. So our remainder here is what? 26, and this is the least number which must be subtracted. So I will be writing in this way: least number to be subtracted from 1 to 570 to make it a perfect square is 26. So the remainder getting is the least number to be subtracted here. But he is saying here, find the perfect square and square root. So perfect square will be what? He is saying this number we have to subtract from which? The given number. So I will be subtracting 26 from 1 to 570 here. So on subtracting, what will be getting? 10 minus 6 will be 4. Okay, 6 minus 2 will be again 4, and 1 to 544. So this is the perfect square you will be getting as 12544. He is saying also find its square root. So square root of 12544 will be what? Okay, this will be this one only. No need to find again. Just this will be your square root of this thing. So that will be your 112 here. So in my opinion, this will be clear. Okay, again I am explaining here. So in the case of addition or subtraction, first we have to do the long division of this given number. So on doing the long division, I have got the quotient as 112, basically this one, and the remainder is 26 here. So this remainder, the remainder which we will be getting, this one is only the least number to be subtracted here. So least number to be subtracted is the remainder, that is your what? 26. But next he is saying find this perfect square. So perfect square will be what? We have to subtract this number from the given number. On subtracting, what will be getting? 12544. And the next he is saying and its square root. So you also have to find the square root. On finding the square root, you will be getting just this one only. So no need to again do the long division and finding the square root. But this will be your answer only. So square root of 12544 will be 112 only. So coming to the next question now. So our next question is find the largest number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. So largest number of 4 digits is first So I'm saying largest number of 4 digits is 9999. So this is the largest 4-digit number here. So he's saying here, what is the largest number of 4 digits, which is a perfect square, but this one is the number only. So firstly, again, in these type of question, you have to firstly solve for the long division here. So 9999. So again with this, making the pairs. So now 9 into 9 will be 81, because 8 into 8 will be 64, and 9 into 9 will be 81. So 9 minus 1 will be 8, 9 minus 8 will be 1. So this pair directly coming down. So 9 plus 9 will be 18. So accordingly, it will be going with 9 only. So 189 to 9 will become what? 9 to 9 will be 81. 9 to 8, 72 plus 8, 80. And 9 plus 8 will be 70. So I'll be saying 189 into 9. I'll be saying 1701. I'm subtracting 9 minus 1 will be 8. 9 and 8 minus 1 will be 8 minus 7 will be 1 only. So the remainder in this case will be getting as what? 198 here. So now again, okay, so if I'll be adding anything in this, what that number will be? That number will become a 5-digit number. It means it's purely the case of subtraction here. It means I have to subtract something only, then only it will be a 4-digit number. If I'll be adding something in this, I'll be getting a 5-digit number here. So it's a case of subtraction. The previous one which we have done, the same question is now will be having. So I'll be writing least number to be subtracted to get it a perfect square. So I'll be writing 9999 minus this 198. So 9 minus 8 will be 1, 9 minus 9 will be 0, and 9 minus 1 again 8. So I'll be getting this 9801. So basically least number to be subtracted is this one 198, and this perfect square is on subtracting what will be getting it. So least number to be subtracted is the remainder, that is 198, and the perfect square, it means we have to subtract this 198 from this number. So this is your perfect square only. So he's saying find the largest number of 4 digits which is the perfect square. The answer will be what? 9801. Again he's also saying here also find the square root of the number which I find out. So square root of 9801 will be what? This one only. That is your 99 here. So no need to find again. This will be your square root only. So in my opinion this will be clear. Coming to the next now. So next question is for the addition. Find the least number that should be added to 15400 to get a perfect square. Also find the perfect square and its square root. So now if this is a case of what? Addition here. So again for the addition and subtraction both we have to do for the long division here. So firstly finding the long division for this. So I'll be getting for 15400. Okay, making the pair. This one only. So this will be coming as 0, 1. So start with 1 again. So we'll be getting 0. Then we'll be having what? 54. 1 plus 1 will become 2 here. So now the number which we'll be writing here will be multiplied with the same number. So if I'll be going for 23, it will be 69. So I'll have to opt for 2 only. So 22 into 2 will become what? 44. So on subtracting, you will be getting 10 here, and this again 2 zeros. So 22 plus 2 will become what? 24 here. So now 2, 5, 10. So basically it will be going with 4 only. So 4 into 4 will be 16. 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So I'll be saying 244 into 4. So I'll be saying 976. So 10 minus 6 will be what? 4 here. 9 minus 7 will be 2. And 9 minus 9, 0. So I'll be left with the remainder as 24. Okay. So in the case of addition, there is no use of the remainder. In subtraction will be saying for the remainder, but in addition there is no use for the remainder. So now we'll be having for the quotient. It means here this 15400 is lying between the squares of 124 and 125. Okay, why this is lying between these two squares? If you subtract 24 from this 15400, you will be getting the square of 124 as discussed in the previous. So it means this 15400 is what? Greater than 124? Is greater than 124 square. It means 15400 lies between what? 124 square and 125 square. Okay. If I will be subtracting something from 15400, I will be getting to 124 square. And if I will be adding something to 15400, I will be getting to the 125 square. It means we have to reach here. What? 125 square. So I will be saying a least number to be added to 15400 to get a perfect square will be what? 125 square minus 15400. So 125 square will be what? That one solving will be getting as 15625 minus 15400. Subtracting what will be getting here? Okay, 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. So I'll be getting with 15225 here. So I'll be getting the it will be 225. So on subtracting, least number to be added is 225. It means when you add this 225 to 15400, the answer will be what? 15625, which is the square of 125. So now least number to be added is what? 225. He is saying also find the perfect square. So the perfect square is what? In this case, no need for adding this thing. If you want to add, you can add. So 15400 plus 225, we know will be coming to this one only, 15625, and the square root of 15625 is what? You have find out earlier as well. That is your 125. So this is your answer here. So please keep in mind about these steps which you have done. So coming to the next, the same type of question now. So next question is like in this way: find the smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect square. Okay, so first the smallest 6-digit number is what? 1 followed with 5 zeros. So this is the smallest 6-digit number. This we know already. So firstly again, when we are having the smallest 6-digit number or the largest, these type of questions come, you have to find the long division in this case. So I'll be saying a 1 6-digit number. So making the pairs. So pairs will be like in this way. So start with 3 here. So 3 into 3 will be 9. So 10 minus 9 will be 1, followed with this 2 zeros. So 3 plus 3 will become what? 6. So as you know, the same number should be multiplied. So 1, 61 into 1 will become 61. 10 minus 1 will be 9. 9 minus 6 will be 3 here. So again the 2 zeros. 61 plus 1 will become what? 62 here. So now, in this case, 6 and this 39. See this one. So 6 into 6 will be 36. In my opinion, this will be going with 6 only. So 6 into 6 will be 36. 6 into 12 plus 3, 15. 6 into 6, 36 plus 1, 37 here. So I'll be saying 626, 6. So I'll be writing 3, 7, 5, 6. So 10 minus 6 will be 4. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 8 minus 7 will be 1 here. So on subtracting, what will be getting? 144. So now, if I will be subtracting something from this number, from the 6-digit number, it will become a 5-digit number. I am again saying the same thing. If I will be subtracting something from this number, I will be getting what? A 5-digit number. But on something, adding something, it will remain the 6-digit number. So it's a purely the case of addition here. So how we have done with the addition? So I have taken this number 2, 3, 4, 5, and this number lies between what? Between 316 square and 317 square here. Yes or no? In the previous we have learned about the same thing. Okay. So now he is saying find the smallest 6-digit number. Okay. So in this case, this one is easy as comparatively with the previous, because he is just asking the smallest 6-digit number only. He is not asking us what's the least number to be added. So we don't have to find for that least number to be added. So I'll be simply saying here the smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect square is what? 317 square. So on finding the square of 317, you will be getting as 100,4 489. So this is the smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect square here. So if he is saying also find the square root of that, okay, on finding the square root we know if this is square and if square will be coming here, square root, it will be 317 only. So in my opinion, these questions will be clear to you. So coming to the next question now. So our next question is like in this way. The area of square field is 3844 meters square. A man takes 3 rounds of this field. Find the total distance covered by him. So now, in the previous standard as well, what is you have find out what is the area of square. So area of square is what? Side multiplied by side or the side square. So I can simply say here the area of square field. I'm writing here first. We have given here what is 3844 meters square. Okay. If the area of square field, can't I write in this side square? Since area of square field is what? Side multiplied by side. So can't I write in this way? Side square. So side square will be what? 3844. Okay, this square on coming to other side, it will become what? Square root here. So what we have to find out? The square root of 3844. So now it's your choice. If you want to find by using prime factorization, you can find by prime factorization or by long division. But now we'll be doing with the long division only. So this one is your 3844. Okay, making the pairs here. Start with 6. 6 into 6 will become 36. 8 minus 6 will be 2. And this 44. So 6 plus 6 will become 12. And you know, this will be 2 only. So this will be, winter will be 0. So I can say side will be equal, coming equal to 62 meter. So now you're having the side here. So now I'm drawing here a square. Okay, a man starts from this point. He is going in this way. Firstly, I have completed this side, then second side, then third side, then fourth side. Again, he is come back. So basically, he has completed what? He has completed 1 round here. So I can simply say here distance covered by the man in 1 round. Okay. How much distance is covered in 1 round? One side, second, third, fourth. And this one is what? The sum of all sides here. And sum of all sides is what? The perimeter. So it means if the distance covered in 1 round will always be equal to the perimeter of the field. So what's the perimeter? Perimeter of the square is what? 4 into side. So side is we are having what? 62 here. So 2 into 4 will be 8 and 6 into 4 will be 24. So it means the distance covered in 1 round will be what? 248 meters. But he is saying he has taken what? 3 rounds here. So can't I find out the distance? Distance covered in 3 rounds. So distance covered in 3 rounds will be what? We will multiply this with 3 only. So on multiplying this 3, what will be getting here? So 3 into 8, 24, 3 into 4, 12 plus 2, 14. 3 into that will be what? 744 meter. So 3 into 8, 24, 3, 4, 12 plus 2, 14, 3, 2, 6 and 7. So we will be getting the distance covered in 3 rounds will be 744 meters. So in my opinion, this will be clear to you. In this case, you can find by using the prime factorization as well. But I have used the long division since we are going for the long division here. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and share the video to the another students as well. So thank you.